go ahead, switch it up. What you gonna do with the power? What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do with the power? What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do? What you gonna do with the power? What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do with the power? You gon' go ahead, switch it up. 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 Hello, hello, about to be a good time. Switch it up. Switch it up. Switch it up.
Introducing the all-new Hover Camera X1. Lightweight and portable like never before. Enclosed propellers and foldable frame. Unfold the fun and fly with confidence. 3-second palm takeoff. Soar to new heights with the Hover X1. Unlock cinematic shots with the press of a button. Hover, orbit, zoom out, bird's eye, and follow. VIO positioning system for ultra-stable flight. State-of-the-art computer vision algorithms and keep you reliably in the frame. Beautiful shots in every scenario with HDR. Level 4 wind resistance and triple image stabilization. Experience super smooth shots no matter the activity. Fine-tune your shots with live preview and manual control. Lose yourself in the moment and be confident that you've caught just the right moment with burst mode. Explore the world with Hover X1 by your side. Hover Camera X1. Start the journey starring you.
Welcome to Midnight Ghost Hunt. I'm Sam, lead developer on the game. Midnight Ghost Hunt is a 4 vs 4 game of hide and seek. Hunters and ghosts go toe-to-toe with each other through cunning games of hunt and deception. Players take on the role of either ghosts or ghost hunters. The hunters must race against the clock to find and destroy every last ghost in the area. The ghosts must hide, distract, and escape in order to survive until the clock strikes midnight and the tables turn. Before the match begins, both teams get a moment to prepare themselves for what's about to come. The hunters select their loadouts of weapons, gadgets, and perks. They must plan their strategies on how best to find, trap, and destroy the ghosts before it's too late. The ghosts also have preparations of their own. As they sense the approaching hunters, they may take some time to find the ideal hiding spot. Ghosts possess various objects to remain hidden, even in plain sight. They may also lay down traps of their own and prepare to lure the hunters into an ambush. Midnight Ghost Hunt features several haunted locations to play in, each with their own unique environment and props to choose from. The hunters arrive and start searching the area for ghosts, using their gadgets and wits to deduce which objects might be possessed. Ghosts need to be both patient and careful in order to avoid getting detected. While the hunters have the upper hand at this stage, ghosts are not just easy prey. They may select their own ghostly loadout from a wide range of abilities, haunts, and perks. They have several tricks up their sleeves to make life difficult for the hunters, and sometimes even take them out entirely. It's a race against time as the hunters need to find and destroy all ghosts before the clock strikes midnight. They should also vacuum up any ghostly remains to prevent ghosts from reviving their teammates early. If at least one ghost has survived when midnight strikes, the lights will flicker down and all ghosts return to form as vengeful spirits. The tables have now turned. The hunters are now the hunted, and the ghosts may have their revenge. The odds are now stacked against the hunters, and only a coordinated and skillful team will stand a chance in the onslaught that ensues. So, do you think you have what it takes to survive the midnight ghost hunt?
This filter shows what I might look like if I smoked. Discover the face of smoking. See the possible consequences at faceofsmoking.ca.
Dana White's power slap added robots to the league.
So here's the side-by-side comparison of the video, which was made using Wonder Dynamics. Shout out to Dana White and the Power Slap League, which is now back for Season 2.
Which one is strong?